Shanti Juniors. My name is Komal Teacher. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying the videos. Children, in my last video I had showed you what all things comes from tea, right? You remember? I had showed you tea for teddy bear, right? I had also showed you tea for toothpaste. Then I had also showed you tea for tomato, tea for tray. Remember, children? Yes, I know. Now you all have know that what all comes from letter T, alphabet T. T, T, T. Now let us see how to write T. It is very simple, children. Remember, Sabha teacher had showed you standing line. Then I had showed you how to write sleeping line. Yes, this is T. Do standing line, then up you do sleeping line. That is T. So simple. Sleeping line first, then standing line. It is T. Now let us see how to do coloring of T. See, this is T. I have already colored, but again I am going to show you how to color T. First you have to color sleeping line. In sleeping line do this. Then here do standing line and color. Color in standing line. Yes. So this is called T. Alphabet T. 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 See, children. You can also you can play the game of doing T. Okay. Keep this in sleeping line. Okay, then keep this in standing line. See, it is T. Sleeping line, standing line, T. So simple, isn't it? Chalo, let me do with this. Sleeping line, standing line. See, this is also T. Okay, children, isn't it easy? Sleeping line and standing line is T. So now let us do T in this. Okay, let us do the T in this. I have crayon. Hold the crayon nicely like this, and with the help of dots, practice T. From one side to other side, go like this. Then from here to down, go in straight line. Connect the dots and make sleeping line. Then connect the dots and do standing line. This is called T. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. See, it is so easy. Now, children, let us write T here. This is T. As I showed you, sleeping line, standing line is T. So with the help of dots, I am going to write T. See, from one side I am starting, then standing line, sleeping line, standing line. See, this is 4-line books and you have to write T and show it to me. Okay, I will be waiting. You have to write this full page. How to write? You have to do, Mama and Dada will do dots. You have to just do sleeping line on that dot. Then you have to do standing line. Okay. See, you have to start from here and stop here. Sleeping line. Then start from here and stop here. Standing line. Start from here and stop. Sleeping line. Start from here and stop here. Standing line. Start from here. Sleeping line. Start from here and stop here. Standing line. This full page. Yes, children, you have to write this full page of T and you have to show it to me. I will be waiting for your photo. Okay, you have to write it. You have to study, right, children? See, this is letter T. Okay, children, I hope you understood how to write T. Till then, bye, children. Enjoy writing T. T for 2. Bye-bye, children. Have a good day.